Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create Capcut account. So it's very easy to do. Just install the Capcut and in from the Play Store. It's for free. And then as you can see, there is a bar, the edit, templates, a library, and me. So in this me bar, you can create your account. So for example, if you already have TikTok account, you can sign in with TikTok, or if you want to sign in with email, it's very easy. And then if you have Facebook, it's very easy to do, of course. But let's try login into the TikTok because I don't have TikTok account. So you try to start from the scratch. So you can create your TikTok account first. After that, you can follow the steps if you already have the TikTok account. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.